Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Mutia Aulia Pasha, and today I am very excited to share the secret to healthy, clean, hydrate, and glowing skin with a skincare product that is close to home and close to us. Introducing Press from Nature, a toner made from Indonesian natural ingredients designed to care for your skin and support our local resources. Okay, next slide. Okay. Many skincare products today contain alcohol, synthetic fragrances, and harsh chemicals that often lead to irritation, breakouts, and dryness, especially for young people living in tropical climates like Indonesia. While Indonesian consumers often turn to imported skincare from countries like Korea, Japan, or the United States, our own country actually holds rich natural ingredients such as rose water, aloe vera, betel leaves, and coconut water. These local resources are powerful yet often underutilized. Fresh from Nature was created to bring out Indonesia's true potential, offering gentle, natural, and affordable skincare that could inspire the world to look to Indonesia as the pillar of clean beauty. Okay, let's next slide. The product Fresh from Nature, our solution, the product Fresh from Nature is a gentle, alcohol-free toner made with natural ingredients sourced locally. It combines rose water to shoot and refreshes, aloe vera hydrates and calm, betel leaf antibacterial helps prevent acne, coconut water nourishes and brightens. It's safe for all skin types, including sensitive skin, simple, clean skincare powered by nature. Okay, next slide. Why you have to choose your best product? Yes, especially fresh from nature. You have to choose our product because it's 100 natural plant-based ingredients, alcohol and no alcohol and fragrance free, support local farmers, eco-friendly packaging, and with us, you're choosing more than skincare. You're supporting your skin, your community, and your planet. Let's next slide. Fresh from nature begin with a simple belief. We believe nature gives us everything we need. That nature gives us everything we need to take care of our skin. We want to create a product that not only works but also celebrates the richness of Indonesia by using local ingredients, supporting local communities, and promoting clean, conscious beauty. This isn't just skincare, it's a way to connect with nature, be proud of where we come from, and let the world see what Indonesia has to offer. And good skincare doesn't have to come for good skincare doesn't have to come from far away. It can grow right here. Next slide. Try nature, trust local. Your skin deserves better. Natural, simple, and of course, local brand. No alcohol, no synthetic fragrance, just real effective ingredients. Try fresh from nature today and let your skin glow and naturally. Indonesia is rich in natural beauty, and it's time the world knows it with fresh from nature. We're not just offering skincare, we're offering a movement to love your skin, support local, and believe in what nature can do. Let your skin feel what nature truly means. Try fresh from nature today. Next slide is, I think it's the last slide. Yes. I want to I want to say thank you so much for being part of our journey. Let's choose skincare that's kind to our skin, to nature, and to our country. Let your skin glow naturally and let Indonesia shine globally. Follow us, Fresh from Nature ID. See you there, healthy and glowing skin with Fresh from Nature. Thank you.